What if I told you you could train your own AI model in less than 5 minutes without writing a single line of code? No Python, no complicated math, no GPUs, just your webcam, your gestures, and your imagination. Today I'm going to show you something magical. This tool is called Teachable Machine, created by the engineers at Google. And with it, kids as young as 10 years can build their own AI models. Models that can recognize hand gestures, body poses, sounds, and even images. And the most exciting part, once we train our AI, we can connect it to Scratch and build your own interactive AI games. You can also connect it to Arduino and make your project react based on your gestures. So that is what we are going to do in our next video. Imagine controlling a game using your body gesture instead of a keyboard. So today's video will understand what it is. Let's jump in. So what is Teachable Machine? Teachable Machine is a simple web tool that lets you train machine learning models directly in your browser. Normally, training AI requires datasets, programming, GPU, machine learning frameworks, but here, Google has simplified everything into few buttons. All we need to do is create classes like class one, you can have one type of object. Class two, we can have another type of object. We can have multiple classes. So first, create classes, gather and group your examples into classes or categories that you want the computer to learn. Second, show examples to the computer. So first is create classes, that is identifying different categories of the images or objects. Second, show examples to the computer, that is your computer's webcam. Third, train the model and then test it instantly. This is how the testing will look. This is the webcam, and model will give the percentage of probability of that specific class. It can deal with images, audio, and pose-based, full body pose-based projects. And this process is called supervised machine learning. You teach the machine by giving it examples. And step two, create AI classes. Let's create a simple gesture classifier. Okay, so we'll choose image project. We will choose standard image model and webcam. Okay, so here I can hold and record. So this is class one. So I am saving class one. Okay, I will show thumbs up. I will move my hand. Okay, 95 images I have created. That is okay, thumbs up. Next, class two, I will make it clap. Okay, so webcam, hold to record. Since I can't press this hold button, I will. Okay, so here if you want, we can add more classes. Next is train your model. We will ignore the advanced settings. The hyperparameters we will not change for now. So here what happened is computer camera captures images and stores them as training data. The more examples we give, the better the AI learns, but it will take longer. Now I'm going to click the train model. Behind the scenes, something amazing happens. The browser uses a neural network to analyze the patterns in images. It learns shapes, positions, features, and after a few seconds, our AI model is ready. So here it says you must leave this tab open to train your model. Okay, training. Okay, training is over. Now we can also export the model that we will see, and we can make it run within JavaScript or TensorFlow environment. Okay, so let's now test it. Close this, input on. See, it is able to detect clap 100%, thumbs up. No, with my right hand, if I show thumbs up, it is not detecting. Now left hand, thumbs up, it is detecting 100%. And it is able to, if I change it, if I, yes, okay. So now we can export the model and use it in Scratch. So the computer is recognizing my gestures in real time. This is exactly how self-driving cars detect objects. Face recognition, AI assistance, and how AI assistants interpret images. We just built a mini version of that technology. We can export this AI model to JavaScript, TensorFlow, Arduino, Scratch. That means kids can build gesture control games, AI musical instruments, AI drawing tools, AI robots, all powered by a model they trained themselves. We will take this forward and build a Scratch game in the next video. And the second video, we will connect it to Arduino and make a servo motor move based on our gestures. Artificial intelligence often looks mysterious, but tools like Teachable Machine show us something important. AI is not magic. AI is simply learning from examples. And when kids understand this early, they stop being just technology users, they become technology creators. So if you are a student, parent, or educator, I highly recommend trying this tool. And if you would like to go further, we also have upcoming summer camps where we'll go deep into this. We teach students how to train AI models, build gesture control games, combine AI with Scratch, and create their own intelligent projects. Because the future belongs to people who build with AI, not just use it. See you in the next video. This summer, don't let screens win. Let your child design in 3D, print their creations, and build a real obstacle avoiding robotic car. Join online or at our Trivandrum Maker Lab. Summer starts April 6th. Book your seat now.